these are the materials I'll be using: glue, chalk to mark out the circle. There's some rip, I used it to some rip the pen, and some scissors to cut out. Then this is the stuffing for the inside. I'm going to use this as a base for my wristband cushion. So this one I already made and cut out from my old one. I'm just gonna remove the velcro. It's just a strip, and then I stitched it inside out and top stitched here. So this is where the attachment for the previous cushion used to be, so I'm gonna put this one here. So yeah, that's it. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take one piece like this and use my cable glue. Okay. I'm just gonna show all around here. Oh, that's it. Bye. I'm gonna show you once it's done. There it is.